Hybris out of the box has three ways to upload data. One is through initialization, and the two ways we can do during the runtime. One is through Impex import, and the third way is through hot folders. So in this hot folder example, we will upload data in this unit item type. So if I search for this unit item type, you can see it has only one row, and it's for the unit type pieces. Uh, For hot folder, we will need two types of file. One will be spring.xml file, which will be in your customs folder, core extension, and in your integration. And you will create this hot folder file, and it will have context annotation, which means all your Java classes which have annotation will be used as beans objects. And then you are setting up your base directory. Your base directory will be uh, this location. Your base directory is import, and the master is your tenant ID. So you are setting that location here, and then we are using that location here in your inbound channel adapter, and we are saying that the file naming convention will be characters at first, then dash numeric values dot csv, and file order comparator is used for in case you are uploading multiple files, which file should have more priority in the upload. And polar fixed rate is 1000, which means 1 second. At every 1 second, the Hybris will scan the hot folder and it will upload any data available there. The outbound folder is when the file is uploading, where that file should go. So it's in this processing folder, which is, if I go in the training folder, it's this folder, processing. After that, we are setting up the batch files training proc, which is like during the initialization, what values the hot folder should use. So we are setting these catalog, net, and store base directory using this base directory, which is somewhat similar to when we are doing Impex and we are setting these macros. We are doing the same type of using same type of convention here, and then we are setting up the Impex for the unit. uh, so this is the Impex that we are going to use, and we are saying we'll be uploading values in attributes uh, four attributes: unit type, code, name, and conversion. And anything which has plus here, it means it's mandatory, so we are uploading four different types, and we're using this unit converter, default converter mapping. And unit here in mapping means the file name should start with unit. And after you have this file, save this file and change your spring.xml file to include the location of that file, the class path of that file, which is here. So once this is done, go to your hot folder location, and I have this unit en1235 file, so it has this data here. So I'll be uploading this data. uh, Let me close this file, and if I copy this file and put it in here, outside here, so the file is now processed. So file is processed now, and after processing, it will go in the archive folder. So once that is done, go to your flexible search query again and click on execute. I think it's still processing. Let me see archive. Check. Okay, now it's showing the data. Thank you.